Okay, let's go over some lesson vocabulary. And before we do that, I just want to talk about how yesterday, as I was going over our vocabulary, and then Emma and I were doing that levitation experiment. It was the maglev train. I don't know what I was thinking. I just about said the Teflon train. Oh boy. I need to get my head checked on that one. Anyhow, maglev train. Lesson vocabulary. I just want to go through this real fast before you guys explore Hannah and Emma's experiments. You might want to try some of those at home if you have a magnet kit. I got mine off of Amazon, and I think it was around $10. So, but you can get them anywhere. Of course, right now we're in a position where maybe we're not going out as much, or maybe at all. So it's always an option to get one from Amazon or in other stores such as that. So that's how I got mine. Mine came to the door. All right, because my other big one is at school, so I had to improvise a little bit. All right, lesson vocabulary. Number one, the pushing or pulling force. Magnetism. We're going to see that in Emma's experiment. Number two, the end of magnets, where magnetism is the greatest, are called the poles. You have north and south. Remember, Earth is one huge magnet, the north and the south pole, and we'll talk more about that. Number three, magnetic field is an invisible area of magnetic force surrounding a magnet. You cannot see that. That was part of that levitation experiment yesterday that Emma and I did. You'll see it again today in Emma's or in Hannah's experiment and in Emma's. The magnetic force is completely around the magnet. Number four, a magnet is an object that attracts certain metals. And then number five, I've added on to that. Nickel, steel, iron, and copper are examples of metals that will attract a magnet. So, excellent materials, by the way. All right, enjoy the science experiments.